For exercise P3-20, I've already started a new metric file. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to begin to draw the overall shape of the front. I know that this segment here is going to go across 90. And I'm probably going to have to zoom out a little bit. Actually, that's pretty good. This piece here is going to go up 25, over 30, then it goes down 25 minus 12, which is 25 minus 12, 13. But you can type the dimension, or you can type the math equation in, so it doesn't really matter. And it's going to go over another 25. I'm going to restart my line command over here. This segment right here is going to go up 35. Now, one thing that it is vitally important to keep in mind is that this object is not symmetrical. But we can assume that the heights of these two pieces are the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in right there, and we'll drop this down. Now I can finish dimensioning. This to the center is where it's offset. This is actually 20, when the overall width of this is not 20, so you can see that it's offset a little bit. I do need an overall height dimension in here of 60, and then I can put a horizontal constraint in between this, and what that's going to do is that's going to line everything up in a linear fashion. Now, one other thing that I'm going to do, just to save myself a little bit of time, is I'm actually going to draw a line straight across here and then give that a dimension of 18 from the top. So we'll put in that 18 right there, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this sketch. Now I'm going to extrude both of these profiles using the mid-plane option, 55. Now I'm going to come back in here and share that sketch, extrude again, grabbing that piece right there, but this time I'm going to cut, use mid-plane, and if it is 15 on both sides, then it's 55 minus 15 minus 15. And there's that cut. Now I'm going to right click and turn off the visibility of that sketch. Click on this surface, do a new sketch on this face, draw a single line on here, dimensioning it 15 from the back side. And up 5 on this side. We'll go ahead and orbit this thing back around, go to my extrude command, select this profile. I want it to cut 20. Say OK, so there we now have that cutout in place. Now I can go to the hole command. I want my hole on this face with my two reference edges being there and there. And it is going to be 20 off of that edge. The height of it is also 20. And its dimension is, or diameter is 14. So I can apply that and say OK. And there is exercise P3-20.